Start with 7 bouquets of Dollar Tree roses. Other items that I used. Pour glitter into a bowl. Cut your roses off the stems. Spray adhesive on the rose. Dip your rose into the glitter until all of the glow is covered in glitter. Cover more roses in glitter. I also have 5 larger roses that I will use. I'm using a bottle of sparkling pear cider, but you can use the wine of your choice. I also have this floral block from Dollar Tree. TULLE also from Dollar Tree. I'll wrap the TULLE around the bottle, then secure it with a rubber band and a red ribbon. Looking good! I cut a hole into the block to accommodate the top of the bottle. Perfecto! Add hot glue to the top of the bottle and inside the block cavity. Allow the hot glue to set. It's time to rock and roll. Let's attach the roses to the block. I will attach the 5 largest roses first. That's one in the center of each side. Now I'll add the remaining smaller roses. My goal is to conceal the block with these beautiful roses. I would suggest getting an additional bouquet of roses. It's best to have more than you need than not enough. Adding 4 plain roses to my bouquet for more beauty and variety. I recommend this spray adhesive and hairspray to set the glitter. I think I'm finished. This is my very first glitter rose wine bouquet. I cannot wait to do more, so please stay tuned. Comment your thoughts and color requests.